Personally, Ryan, what's the biggest business mistake you've ever made, if you care to share it?
Oh
And
man.
that could either be in laundry or otherwise,
Yeah.
some other venture.
It's funny because I used to joke around. One of my friends went to culinary school when we were in the bar industry, and I said to someone, I had a consultant that worked for me at one point, and he said, I was like, I don't understand why people do this. And he said, well, the truth is this: I'll pay 200,000 for my education. If you don't go to school, it's going to could cost you $1 million. So the point of that is the mistakes you make every single day are mistakes, but learning from the mistakes gives you the ability to come out on the other side if you keep pushing through them. So we make mistakes every day. We made mistakes day one. We still make mistakes today, but just acknowledging the mistakes and having the ability to just push through as hard as you can is going to get you to the other side. You know, we've
Mhm.
had, I mean, I'm tons of mistakes over the years, I'm sure, but nothing.
Yeah.
When you commit to saying you're going to make it,
Mhm.
no mistake's going to knock you down. So if
Right.
you're in this
Right.
to make your store work, I mean, we've had building inspectors, I mean, everything happened to us where people are trying to constantly push back. If you're just willing to just push through, it always works out.
Sure. Yeah, that commitment is a powerful thing. And I think, as you say, is, all the mistakes you make, as long as you're learning from them, it's a positive outcome in the end.
I think so. So my partner Sean is my brother, and
Yeah.
we both come from
Hmm.
the baseball background in school. Sean was an unbelievable athlete. I played baseball as well, and baseball's a great sport because you fail 70% of the time, and you could be in the Hall of Fame. People always say that, but when you actually understand it, you're going at something knowing you're gonna fail, but you keep going because you know if you keep doing it, you're gonna do well. So it's like having a sports mentality. I feel like has really helped us in life, and I give it to my parents. I mean, pushing us when we were younger and constantly being, positive people in our life, and letting us fall. Like letting us make mistakes and letting us. I, I'm a parent now, so I see it. It's really hard to see your kid and maybe know that they're going to fall. But the fact that our parents let us get out there and do things, I mean, was really impressive. Really, and it really helped us. When we had our first bar, we raised money for the bar, and I'll never forget. We asked my dad, "Hey, you want to put money into the bar?" And he
Yeah.
said, "I want to put money in the bar." I said, "Why?" He said, "Because if it doesn't work, I'm going to have to help you guys out." And knowing that he had our back from the beginning, was always an important thing. And then the landlord joked around and said, a large percentage of bar restaurants go out of business. I'll bet you that it doesn't work. And my dad took the bet, and every year he cashed in on the bet against the landlord because he knew that, the kids were going to put, you know.
Perfect. I love that. That's great, Dave. That's a great story.
Yeah.
But